तुम्ही म्हाका मुद्दम एक गजाल सांगात आणि हांव कित्याक विचारता एक तुमी सांगले आपणी लास्टाक तांकां सांगलें तुमी सांताक्रूज कॅन्डिडेट घाला म्हणून
एक्झॅक्टली आय मीन दॅट ऑफ कित्याक आमकां जावपा जाय आशिल्लें कित्याक एक सिटाक लागून गोंयच्या जनतेचो जेन्ना सेंटिमेंट आशिल्लो की सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवपाचो ते एक आतां म्हाका सांग गोवा फॉरवर्डा कडेन सेम जालें वेन प्लेस लायक मोर्जी आनी कोर्ली बिकॉज वी वर नॉट एबल टू सॅनिटायज अवर केडर एट ऑन ग्राउंड we didn't wanted the alliance to be disturbed, so that is why we took a conscious call of fighting in Korlim and Morjim. So that same could have been done for Shiroda as well as Santa Cruz.
Friendly fight ही फोकाणं म्हणून
No, it's not Fakana. See, we in the
there
larger,
is not a single instance where friendly fights have succeeded. It is a convenience. It is not a strategy.
See, Kinya Pramod Bab, ultimate goal is what? To win the 2027 election. Now, in that aspect, ZP election, we have to see that we form the council, we form the chairmanship. For that, we need 13 seats. Now, at one place or two places, if I have to do little adjustment, and in larger interest, if I can get a maximum seat where I can get a chairmanship, I think it is a fair call, which what both the parties have taken.